up guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very fun because it is a full face makeup tutorial using my old holy grails, y'all. So basically I dug in my old makeup collection and pulled out all of my OG makeup products that I basically started using whenever I first got into makeup. So obviously there's tons of MAC involved. I mean, MAC was one of my very first brands that I started splurging on whenever I first got into makeup. So there's tons of MAC. I have like my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I have my Sasha Buttercup powder. I have some old drugstore lipsticks, some old drugstore lip liners. Just basically a ton of stuff that I have not used in forever. And I wanted to like put it to the test to see if I would still like it and still recommend it to this day. So that is the real test here, and we'll be using the products to create this makeup look here. It's a very fun, it's a very soft and flirty and wearable spring makeup look. I mean, the lip is pretty bold, so you can do it if you want to, but the eye is very, very soft and natural, like super easy to do. I even pulled out an old Morphe palette that I haven't used in forever. So it is a very, very simple makeup look using products that you will see how I feel about them. And I can tell you, no, I won't tell you. You guys will have to see in the video how I felt about it. But I will go ahead and stop rambling and jump to the video. But before I do, I want you guys to do 3 things for me. 1, subscribe right now if you haven't already. I would love you guys to join the Kyra Knox family. I have a ton of good, new, and fresh content coming out. Like I have been like having all these like creative ideas and things like that. And I've actually been filming quite a bit, so I want you guys to of course subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Also like and comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Just go ahead and let me know. And then last but not least, I want you guys to go ahead and head on over to Instagram real quick. Just close out of the app, go to Instagram and follow me on Instagram right now if you haven't done that as well. You guys will kind of see a glimpse of my makeup looks, fashion looks, my family life, lifestyle type stuff. So do all 3 of those. I'd really appreciate it, and I will shut up now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Now let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first we're starting off with the brows as usual. So I'm pulling out one of my old holy grails, which was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Chocolate Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm using that clearly to go ahead and fill in my brows. Honestly, as I was using this, I hated it. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was the consistency. I mean, it is a little bit old. I don't know what it is, but it's like super pigmented. So it's honestly really easy to go overboard. And to me, it does not give, at least when I was using it this time, it did not give a natural brow at all. So I would give it a thumbs up and would give it a nay. But of course, to clean up my brows, I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42. You guys know that I still use this today. I love it. So of course this is a yay, and I still use this to this very day because it is just like the best creamy concealer to use to clean up under your brows. It's just so easy to blend out, and it makes doing your brows super duper duper easy. So this is again a yay. So now, of course, whenever it comes to my primer, you guys know that the Becca Ever Matte Primer has been my holy grail and continues to be my holy grail. I've been using this for years, you guys, and I couldn't imagine life without it. It is a definite yay. And also, same thing with the MAC Lane Low Paint Pot. I have been using this for years also as just a good eyeshadow base, and that is a yay as well. So now onto foundation. This is an oldie but a goodie. It's the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC46, and I don't care what anybody says, MAC Studio Fix Fluid will always be bae, okay? This foundation is tried and true, and like whenever I don't know like what to do with my foundation, I always just reach for this one because it's always just a good go-to. So the foundation is a yay. For concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I don't know the last time, y'all, I used the LA Girl Concealer. Like, it has been years. But I would definitely give this one a yay. The only reason why I stopped using it is because it does dry pretty quickly, so you have to move with it. And also, in my opinion, it takes a little bit more work, as you can see, to blend it out. Like, it just, because it's thicker, so it just takes a lot more time to blend out. And it does dry pretty fast, so you have to work pretty quickly. But for the price point and the coverage, it is a definite yay. Like, this is one that I would highly recommend, especially to beginners, because it's so cheap and it is just a good one to practice with. So this one's definitely one that I would recommend to this day. So to set the highlighted areas, I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is an oldie but a goodie, and I hadn't used this one in forever, you guys, and I honestly forgot how much I loved it. I love the yellow tint of this powder, and I still loved it when I applied it because, I don't know, it sets your foundation very, very well. It provides a really nice matte finish, but it doesn't crease, budge, or anything, and it just provides a nice overall tint to the under eye and, you know, highlighted areas. To set my entire face, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC45. That's, of course, the Yay. I still use it now. Now for bronzer, I'm using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Bronzer. This is an oldie, but you guys, I forgot how much I love this powder, especially for the summertime. It is like the perfect, like, summertime sun-kissed kind of glow bronzer because it's very, very warm. As you can see, it has a little bit of a reddish undertone, but it also has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it gives your skin a nice glow. So this is definitely a yay. Now I want to go ahead and dust away that excess powder under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, and then move on to my eyes. So for the eyes, I'm pulling out the oldie but goodie, which is the Morphe 35O palette. And just using this palette to create a very nice, soft, kind of like an orangey eye. I didn't really know what I was doing on this day, but it's very, very simple, y'all. So it's like 3 eyeshadows, really, really simple. So I took this light orange shade first, applied it into the crease. And now I'm taking like a really dark copper shade and applying that all over the lid with my finger. Again, very, very simple. And I love this color orange, or this copper shade. It's just gorgeous, as you can see. It's very brown girl friendly. And then I'm applying this light cream shade to the brow one, of course, to just add a nice little pop of shimmer right under the brow. And then lastly, for the center of the eye, I'm taking like this light pink champagne shade from that same palette and just applying it right to the center of the eye because I wanted it to be a little bit lighter and a little bit softer. And so the light pink shade actually really helps to soften it up and, you know, make it look more spring appropriate. So definitely a yay. I still love this palette to this day. It's just very, very affordable and, you know, easy to work with. For highlight, I'm using the MAC Gold Deposit Highlighter. Oh my gosh, I loved this one. I used it faithfully back in the day. And after applying it today, I feel back in love with it. It is just the perfect golden tone highlighter. If you love like a golden finish, this is the perfect highlighter for you. I love it, love it, love it on brown skin. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take my NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light. I have been using this one for years and still use it to this day, so it is definitely a yay. And then I'm applying a little bit of that same orange that we applied in the crease to the lower lash and kind of smoke it out a little bit and add some more color down there. For lips, I'm taking the NYX lip liner in Hot Red, and I have to include this one because, you guys, I used to be so obsessed with the NYX lip liners. Before I could afford the MAC ones, I stocked up on the NYX ones and have like a whole collection, but I used the red one, of course, for today to create this really soft ombre lip. And I paired it with this really light orange NYX Matte Lip Cream in the shade Buenos Aires, and it's really pretty. As you can see, I gave the lip liner a nay because it just was not pigmented enough for me. I used to really be obsessed with them, but now that I have used MAC lip liners, I can't go back because of the pigmentation and the ease of application. So the NYX lip liners to me are a nay, okay? I went ahead and set my brows with my telescopic mascara. You guys know I still love this to this day. And then, of course, go ahead and pop on a soft champagne shade on the inner corners and apply a little hint of blush. I'm taking the NYX Orange Blush, and this is an absolute nay. You guys know that whenever I do like a soft orange blush, I always reach for this one still. And I still love it, y'all. NYX used to be, why did I stop using NYX? They had so many good products. For mascara, I'm using the CoverGirl Super Sizer. That used to be one of my true holy grails, and I still love it to this day, especially for the bottom lashes. It gets every lash, and it's bomb. Guys, here is the final look of this really pretty soft orangey spring look. I hope you guys liked it, and I will catch you guys in the next video.